Hello everyone, I'm Indra, and in today's video I will be sharing information about how to study in Finland without any tuition fees but with your family. So let's get into it. First, you are going to open the website by either clicking the link in the description below or simply type in Vamia Cook Program in your search bar. Once you are on the page, head over to the overview section. Here you'll find the general information about the Cook program. This course usually takes 3 years to complete and includes both theory and hands-on training. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the How to Apply and Requirements button. Make sure to read through the general requirements since this will give you a clear picture of what documents and qualifications are needed. The application period runs from April 8th to April 11th, so it is important to prepare everything in advance. While there's another intake planned for November, they sometimes cancel it, so it's safer to apply now if you're ready. One of the key requirements is a Duolingo English Test score of at least 85. Keep in mind that the intake isn't based solely on your English score, so if you haven't taken the test yet, go ahead and do it. If you don't meet the score, you can always retake it, so don't pressure yourself. Once the application opens, a registration link will appear on the same page. So make sure to bookmark the website for quick access. The application is totally free, which is definitely a bonus. You don't need to submit a work certificate, but if you have experience in cooking or related fields, I recommend attaching them to boost your profile. Another plus is that you don't need a motivational letter for this course. Here's a quick checklist of what you'll need. 1. School certificate. It is mandatory. You must be over 18. And you are going to need your Duolingo test result, which is a minimum of 85. You are going to need a valid passport and work certificate if applicable. So after submitting your application, you'll get a confirmation email. They will evaluate based on your documents and also aim for a diverse student group, which means your chances are pretty solid. The final selection is made around 2 to 3 months after the deadline, and they'll notify you through email whether you've been accepted or not. There will be no interview sections. The application link will only be active during the application period, and I've included it in the description where you can access the application link. You can also check out other programs they offer. There are about 6 different vocational options available. Good luck with your application, guys. You've got this. I'll be uploading updates and information about vocational schools and universities in Finland. So if you are planning to study there, please like and subscribe my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And thank you, and see you guys in the next video.